Hello dear students, most of you are aware that CBSE has deleted most of the portion of the science and control and coordination chapter 7 is one among it. There is a maximum deletion happened in this chapter and it's getting difficult to understand what to study in this and what not. According to me, there is very less to study in this and which will be appearing in your examinations. Let's go thoroughly with the textbook and analyze it. So as you see, chapter 7, control and coordination, the first part here is an introduction that just means how we respond to the stimulus and how is our brain made of and everything. They're most concentrating on growth. This introduction is not very much important as such. Coming to animal's nervous system, which is totally deleted from the syllabus, like touching a hot pan and reacting to it or having the reflex to action has been totally deleted. But yet I would like to focus on this nerve, that is nothing but the fundamental unit of the brain, that is neuron. So neuron structure is important, you have to go through it. Other than neuron, if you see in this page, there is not much things that has to be discussed. There is something about activities and all which has been totally deleted and it's not so important. So what happens in reflex action is your next page. Now this is also deleted from the CBSE syllabus. You are no ways or any which ways going to study about this portion has been removed from your syllabus and there will be no questions that will be asked. This figure is removed and it is not necessary to go through this figure. Coming to this human brain, so they did not mention so much properly about human brain, but human brain study is very important. I would like to focus on this human brain and we are going to go deeper in this. I'm going to explain you about human brain. This might be the question which will be asked in the examination. Other than human brain, most of the things have been deleted, but this human brain is important and they may ask about this. So what exactly is about the human brain? When we see the word reflex that we have talked about in the introduction, our mouth waters when we see food, we like without or meaning to, our heart beats without our thinking about it, etc. So if you see the structure of the brain, it is totally divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. And their important parts, like forebrain is the front portion of your brain and the hindbrain is the inside, which consists of pons, medulla and cerebellum. And you have the midbrain, which is very important. Here cerebrum and cerebellum may be confusing, but they are two different things. The whole brain is protected in a bony structure that is nothing but cranium. There is also presence of hypothalamus, etc. So this brain is also having the olfactory lobes, which are very important. Well, when we see about the brain, here comes the how does the nervous tissue cause action, which is removed from the syllabus. Next comes immediate response to the stimulus of the Mimosa pudica plant, which is also totally deleted from the syllabus. You are not necessarily going through this as it is the coordination in plants. Geotrophism and phototrophism is also being removed from the syllabus. So we are not necessarily going through this, but you can have a common knowledge about it. Coming to the next part, that is nothing but it is only about plant hormones and their movements of leaves. This is also deleted. The question answers here are also not necessarily important. Hormones in plants were deleted totally, but hormones in animals are also on the verge of deletion, but we have to go through these hormones as a part of the knowledge. They may not ask about these in the examination, but it may appear in most of your competitive exams. So this part, activity 7.4, is very important. This is deleted, but activity is important. We have to go through this and I have jotted down few of the question answers. There are 15 in number, which are very very important. If you see the back page, coming to the activity 7.4, this growth hormones, insulin, testosterone, adrenaline, releasing hormones, these are important in this. Overall coordination and control lesson is all about studying only brain. So here are the clippets of the question answers, which I'm going to post in the Vidyaleka app as well. You can go through it, or here you can screenshot the video and try to write from it. But these are the only 15 question answers that I think may appear for your board examinations. Apart from these, anything further is being deleted, and if at all we have to study about it, it's only for the knowledge sake. That will be not appearing in your examination. So complete your fair books till this lesson, and I will see you in the next video for how do organisms reproduce.